free and unlimited AI video generators you need to try. They are free and they are unlimited. Right now, the least you can pay for or you can be charged for any video generator out there right now is $10. That is the least, and it doesn't even get a month. Now, for someone that has not been monetized, for you to be able to generate AI videos freely is the best. So I bring to you the best AI video generator you need. You should try it out. Now, make sure you watch the full video. At the end, I will be bringing the best of them all that is free and unlimited. All right. So let's head over. Let me show you how to do that. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video you're watching right now, and drop a comment on the comment section. Okay. The first video generator is One AI. Now, when you get to your Chrome, whichever browser you're using, just type in One AI. All right. Now, you can access this tool using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, whatever AI device, you have accessed it. Now, this is how it looks. Okay. This is how it looks. Now, you click on Try Now. You click on Try Now, because you need to log in. All right. Now, this particular tool is good. Let me explain the areas where you need this tool. When it comes to video motion, when it comes to dancing, AI dancing videos, when it comes to AI motion video, this is free and unlimited. All right. Now, when you sign in, this is how it looks. Okay, on a daily basis, you're getting 10 credit on this tool, on this particular AI tool. But this is how you use it. Make sure you click on generate, click on reference. Now, when you're using it for video, you want to generate AI movies, all right, you click on reference, then you click on it and input your image. All right, you input your image. Okay, I will try as much as possible to be fast. All right, now when you click on wherever, if your device is on the history, you click on it. But if it is on the device, you click on the device just like I did and input any image you want to input. Okay, any of the images. Let's go with this one. I will go with this. All right, then the next thing we'll do is we need our prompt. All right, our video prompt. While it is uploading, I'll just go ahead and copy my video prompt for this here. Okay, this is my video prompt. Copied it. I will head back. Okay, I will head back to One AI to paste it. You can see the image have been uploaded already, so I'll just paste it here. You see it requires 10 to generate. Now, because I changed it to reference, that is why it requires credit. But this One AI is free, completely free if you're going for motion control. I've done a video on motion control using this tool before, but I've not done it on reference. That is why I decided. Now I've sent it and it is generating. Okay, it is generating already. While it's generating, the next AI tool is Quen AI. Okay, these are AI tools I use each time I need to generate any video. All right, now these tools gives you high quality video generation. The same with others, you need to sign in. Now, if you sign in, this is how it looks. Okay, you can see video generation. All right, you can see image generation. You can do a deep search. All right, but our interest is video generation. Okay, and remember, you have to sign in. Now, once you click on sign in, this is how it looks. Okay, I've signed in and click on the plus. I will input my image first. Once you click on the plus, you input your image first. You click on the plus again, click on create video. All right, now Two things. Then you paste your video prompt and send. This particular tool does not require any credit at all when it comes to AI video generation. All right, it doesn't do control motion. The one that does control motion is one AI. That is why I started with it. This particular one is basically image generation and video generation. That is it. All right, now you click on send. It has started generating already. It didn't require me any credit. Now I will skip while it is generating. All right, I'll move to the next tool. Okay, now you can see it is generating. Let's move to the next tool, and the next tool I will be looking at is Meta AI. Those of you that know Meta AI, they keep improving every day in their image generation. Now this is it. You click on it. Now if you're using a phone, just download the app on your phone. But if you do not have a phone, use your browser. If you're not using phone, just go to your browser. Now the best way to sign into this tool is Facebook. You have to sign in. The best way to sign in is your Facebook. All right, your Facebook email address or your Facebook address. You say sign in with Facebook or Instagram, but the best is Facebook. It doesn't stress. All right, but you can equally sign in using it. So I've signed in and I use it all the time. See, all these are my generations. Okay, so you just click on create video. All right, or you click on create, or just go with create video. All right, once you click on create video, you click on plus. All right, what you need is the image you want to animate, the image you want to turn to video. All right, so I'll just go with this. All right, let's go with this this one. Yeah, now I'll just go ahead and copy the prompt for that particular image we uploaded. So this is it here. Copied it, head back to Meta AI, you paste it here. All right, then you send. Okay, now one thing about this tool is always include your ratio, if it is 9:16 or 16:9. Secondly, there is no dialogue on Meta AI. That is just the disadvantage, and hopefully I believe they will be adding a dialogue soon, but right now no dialogue. Now the fourth one I will be showing you is Arena AI. Arena AI gives you on a daily basis one to two video on a daily basis. Not just that, you can sign in and sign out using different email. Okay, now this tool uses the best video generator to generate your video. Make sure it is on battle mode whenever you want to do that, then click on video. Okay, now this tool can actually use Grok, it can actually use Seedance, it can actually use any tool, Sora tool, to generate your AI videos for you. So we'll go ahead and upload our image. All right, go ahead and upload our image. Done. Then we head back to copy our video. We need to copy our video. This is it. Copied it, our video prompt. Haven't copied it. All right, I'll just head back to the Arena AI to paste it here. All right, then you send. Arena AI generates two options for you. It generates two options for you. That is the good part of it. Make sure it is on battle mode. So it has started generating already. You can see up to two. Now you can use any tool. Now the last and the best that I use on a daily basis, that whenever I want to generate videos, it is what I go for, is Google Flow AI. Google Flow gives you 50 credit on a daily basis. You can sign in up to 10 video in a day. You can sign in using 10 email in a day, meaning that you can generate as much as you can. Now, when you sign in, you click on new project. The least credit this tool takes is 10, which gives you a good cinematic video. All right. Now, this particular tool takes 10 from the list. Now, that means in a day, you can generate 5 video each email, 5 video each email, 5 video each email, and you're able to sign into up to 10 email. That is about 50 videos a day. Yeah. So when you click
So it
on it,
is
make sure you wait for it to
generating,
appear this way. Then you
right?
click
We
on
have to
add
wait
to
for it to
prompt.
be done with the
Then you click
generation.
on
Now
add to
it is done.
prompt.
Click on
All
the three
right.
dots
Now
and download it.
copy your
All
video
right.
prompt and
It is
paste.
done. Now we want to
Then you
access
send.
image to video.
This is where
For
you
that,
choose the tool you
what
want
you
to
need to do
generate with.
is
This one
go
charges
up,
15.
up. You
All
see
right,
all
Veo
video
3 Lite
generator.
is cheaper,
Again,
which
yeah.
is 10.
You
You see
scroll
that
up
10.
and look for the one you
And
want.
Veo 3, the
Okay,
other
scroll up.
fast charges
Because it's
20
phone, I have
and
to zoom it a
quality
little
charges
bit so you get a see.
100.
Now, when you scroll up,
Okay,
you will be
so but
seeing
since it's
image to
a
video.
we have 50,
Okay,
go for
this one, that is the
the
image to
cheapest,
video.
which
You
is
click
10
on
10k.
I've lost
Now watch
everything.
what we
If anyone
generated
finds
so
this,
far.
tell my family I never gave
Right,
up.
one generated this, Queen AI generated this,
You
and
stayed
a
late
Meta AI
again. All I can
generated this. You
see
can
is
see the
you.
logo already. And this was generated by Arena AI. These are all generated by free AI tools. Remember to subscribe, guys.
I'm just not ready to say goodbye to all of this.
Hey, look at me. We are gonna be okay. No matter where we go, I'm not letting you go.